Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing great. Today I'm here with another new video in which I will tell you about if your sim is not working, how you can solve it. But firstly, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get the new videos. Now let's move toward the topic. If your sim is not working or you're unable to use your sim, you can solve it by the way as I am showing in the video. Just follow the steps and watch complete video and understand how you can solve your sim problem in your device Vivo Y75 5G. Let's watch the video.